Why?
He's like,
not
why?
gonna do a burnout with it. It's got traction control.
Fuck.
It's only $5.
Yeah, it's not $5 for a fucking new jet.
Why? It's gonna happen to it.
Anything. Blow a CD
What?
shaft.
No, it's not gonna.
That's always fun. It's a pain in the ass to replace too.
I'll go down the track with you. It's just fun to see what it'll do. Just do it one time.
Oh, we're gonna go down the track.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, you said no. We should do it.
What the hell's the hold
I'll go
up?
with you so I can help you make sure your scooter.
We can go with you.
You can videotape it.
It's taking long enough, Jesus. Is it? Are they really riding it? Are they taking mopeds down the fucking?
They take anything down.
I told a couple that were driving by earlier to go down the track.
I've seen a cooler, you know, it was one of those little things with a cooler go-kart.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of those went down the track.
I'm almost tempted to take my lawnmower down it. If I had a way to get it here.
Put it in the back.
Hell
of
yeah,
Jacob's
dude, I
truck.
fucking soup that shit up.
There's been lawnmowers here before. I've seen lawnmowers do 9 seconds.